Morning, welcome to Out and About with Rob on a glorious rainy morning. I'm not going to go too far today. Main reason for coming out today is to test out new gas stove I bought. I didn't like the way my outlife was glowing last week, so I went and bought a new one, and I'm going to test it today. I haven't even tested it at home yet. I thought I'd bring it into the field, test it for the first time, turn it on for the first. Hopefully it works. But I bought my old outlife just in case, and I come to one of my favourite spots. It's the old roundabout that I came on a while back. I think on my third video I came to this roundabout. It's a big roundabout, and I'm going to find a place to set my tarp up, obviously because it's raining, and I'll get back to you then. Let's go. So today I've brought with me to have a nosh up, another ribeye steak, some mushrooms and some new potatoes. I'm going to test out my new stove on, and it's similar to my outlife stove, but it's an upgraded one. So it's got a little wind shelter on it, a little protect the flame from the wind. So hopefully it'll be all right. So you can probably still hear the traffic around me, because like I say, this is a giant roundabout, and I thought I couldn't think of a better place to come and test it. So let's keep looking for somewhere to set my tarp up. Right, so I've got the tarp set up, and it's a very welcome shelter from the rain, I can tell you. And it is raining quite hard. So this is the little stove I bought. It's not an outlife, it's an untried. Cost $13.99 off of Amazon, of course. Let's get it out and have a look. I haven't even turned it on yet. I don't even know if this works. It's no better place to test it than out in the field with a ribeye steak, is there? And that's what I'm going to do. It opens up easier than the other one, I will give it that. On the other one, the piezo lighter ignition is in the way. And this one has got a lovely little snap when you open those legs out. There you go. Unfold the legs. And it's got this little windshield built into it. So we'll see how it performs. First thing we always do, get the coffee on. I'm going to stick with the Irish lattes. I've got a bit of a taste for them at the moment. Although toffee nut is still a favourite, but the Irish latte is my new favourite. So let's just get the right amount of water, and then we'll get this new stove turned on. Right, this is it. Let's try it. Yeah. It's easy to control. My old outlife, the thing was getting very difficult to get it onto a low simmer. So let's get this hot water on. Well, I've got to say, that didn't take long at all. That was about 4 minutes. 4 minutes for that to come to that rolling boil. And what I will say, this stove is a hell of a lot quieter than my outlife. I think my outlife was getting to the end of its life. It outlived itself. Yeah, tractor going by. Tractor going round the roundabout. Love it. That's good. Look at that. Irish latte. And that new stove did not glow one bit. I think with my other one it was glowing so much, there was definitely something wrong with it. Definitely something wrong with it. But this is brilliant. This is great. Seems to be working a treat. The proof, of course, will be in the pudding later on when I stick the ribeye on. My ribeye, my mushrooms and my new potatoes. So cheers everyone. Oh my god, it's lovely. Lovely jubbly. Oh, it's good. If you're wondering what coat I'm wearing this week, I bought this ages ago but I've never really worn it. It's the Highlander Tempest in their own MTP. I've got to say it's pretty damn waterproof. It's really good. I'm enjoying it so far. Yeah. So seems to be doing what it's meant to do. Keep the water out, that's for sure. Because as you can tell, it's pouring down with rain. But under my tarp, I don't care. I'm just going to sit and drink my coffee for a bit and then I'll put my steak on. So this is what's on the menu today. A nice Irish beef ribeye steak to go with my Irish latte. What can be better than that? Look at it. Oh yes. It's going to be good. It's going to be a good test for this stove, that's for sure. Oh, listen how quiet that is. That's beautiful. I love that. Right, let's get this steak on. It's going to be good. Take all my rubbish with me. Tin of new potatoes. I'll cut them in half. I think. I haven't had these for years. I used to have these all the time, but yeah, oh look at that. It's starting to sizzle already. What I am going to do, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of pepper on both sides of this steak. Just to give it a bit of a pepper steak. Oh yes, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Put it on a nice low simmer. Look at that, it's fantastic. Yes. Let's get my other little bit of pepper. I'll do some on both sides. Oh yeah, lovely peppered steak. I'll put this little knob of butter in here. So I'm cooking my mushrooms in there. Bought some sliced mushrooms again to just quicker. Oh yeah. Oh yeah! Beautiful stuff. Let's get the mushrooms in there. It's quite big mushrooms actually, even when they're cut in half. They'll cook down in next to no time. Look at that. Not glowing at all. Brilliant. I knew there was something wrong with that other stove. It just didn't look right. It hasn't sounded right for a long time, so this is brilliant. You can barely hear it. While my steak's cooking, give you a little glimpse inside of my tarp. Got my walking pole there, the Mountain Warehouse walking pole. I think it was £11 that was, the Mountain Warehouse. Water's dripping off corners, probably dripping down the guy lines, isn't it? But better than raining on me, that's for sure. Nice birch tree there, I'll probably be able to get some birch bark off of that eventually. Getting wet at the moment though. I might wait till it all dries off and come back here, because there's loads of, if you look out there, there's a fallen birch tree there with loads of birch bark. So I might come and grab some of that when the weather improves, whenever that may be. This steak is huge. Absolutely huge. What size of that? Looks like a pair of lungs. It's marvellous. Steak, mushrooms and new potatoes in the rain, in the woods. Can't wait. Let's turn it up a little bit. And I'm still on the same gas as well, same gas canister. I was using this last time I came here, on the third video I made. It's the same gas canister. So it's got to run out soon. It's getting low, but I can't believe how long it's lasting. But like I've always said, I've always got a spare one in my bag, just in case. While my steak is cooking here, I just thought I'd let you know, with my videos, you may hear some guitar music being played in it. That's actually me playing my guitar, because I make all my videos on iMovie, and I'll just, you know, when there's a little section I want a bit of guitar music, I'll just play along while watching the film. So I'm not following anything, I'm just making it up as I'm going along. So yeah, I hope you like my music that I'll play. I'll do it on a classical guitar, just improvising. That's what it's all about, improvising. I love doing that, just grabbing a guitar, picking it up and having a pick, and put it on the videos for you all. I hope it suits the videos that I'm making, sort of quite laid back, nothing too stressful. And yes indeed. Nearly there with this steak, nearly there. Right, mushrooms are done, come over here. Mushrooms are done there. Just got, I don't know if I'm going to have all of these potatoes. What I don't have, I'll take home in that little bag that my mushrooms are in. So I'll just put that in there. Oh yeah, steak sizzling nicely. So I'll put these in there, and I'll probably just cut them in half. I haven't had these potatoes for years. Let's get a big one. Yeah, I think that'll do for now. Get back out, just cut them in half. Let them warm through a bit. Might even cut them in more than half actually. There we go. Looks good, looks good. Just move them around a bit. This steak's nearly done. So this steak is practically done. I still can't get over how quiet that is. That's brilliant. It's still not glowing, like the other one did. Oh yes, my steak's done how I like it. Quite well done. I like my steaks well done. Medium rare to well done. I think those potatoes are done as well. Look at that. That stove is brilliant. I love it. It's quiet, it's efficient. The little knobbly bit works. The how high you have your gas. Now let's dish this up. Yes, indeed. Woo-wee! How's that look? Ribeye. Oh, pardon me. New potatoes, mushrooms. This is going to taste the business, isn't it? I'll get back to do the cutting. Let's taste a cut of those mushrooms. Oh. Here we go. Let's try this steak out. Oh my god. That pepper that I sprinkled on, it's made all the difference. It would have been lovely without it, but you know, a bit of flavouring. I love it. Do love a ribeye. It's my favourite cut of steak. Can't beat it, can you? Can't beat having a good cookout. I'm going to cook out my little roundabout. Well, it's not my little roundabout. I don't know who this roundabout belongs to. But whoever owns it sees this video and the one I made before, I just want you to know that I am totally respecting this land. All my rubbish will come with me. I always leave no trace, which is the most important thing. Respect the land. Well, this is it. The last piece of steak. That was just right, that was. Cooked to perfection for me. Absolutely delicious. Can't beat it. That was marvellous. Just going to sit in now. Finish off my coffee. Bit of a leaf. Finish off my coffee, pack away. I've got to work tonight, so it couldn't be a long one. But I did want to just test out this stove, and it's cold. It's cooled down already. It hasn't been off that long, and it was on for about 15 minutes, easily. And it's just brilliant. I can't praise it enough. It's not going to be my go-to stove now. It's so quiet too. I couldn't get over that. So I'm just going to sit here, finish off my coffee, pack up, go home, have a bath, go to work. How's that? Right, so let's see how this folds away. The other one got a bit. It might be my own fault that the other one started playing up, because it was getting really stiff to close up. But this one's really quite easy. Look at that. Just folds away. Nothing's in the way. And on the other one, that piezo lighter ignition thing was in the way of one of the legs that opens up. But on this one, it seems to be fine. Comes in a nice little container. Goes away nicely in there. There we go. Coil the lead in there, the pipe, shall I say, and then done. Brilliant. Best $13.99 I spent last week, that is. Like that. Doesn't fit in this bag very well though, with the working gas bottle. Right, I'm going to start packing away, and while I'm doing that, I'll put you on a time lapse. See you on the other side. So that's where I was, between that tree there and this tree here. There's my bag and my bag of rubbish. That little spot there, I think an animal must have done that because that was already there when I got here. So yeah, left no trace, took all my rubbish with me. Oh, it's a wet one today, but it's great. This is my 11th video, and yeah, I'm really pleased that I'm out and about showing you all these things, because it's great countryside we've got around here, even on a day like today. It's marvellous. This has come up right up to the road, this water. It's on the verge of going over, and normally it's nothing like this, it's just a little pond, but it's completely saturated, and it's still raining now. Hasn't stopped. It's amazing. So if you like my video, give me a little subscribe and a little like, and hit the notification bell, that'd be much appreciated. I'm going to leave you here and go back to the car now. Put my backpack in the car, and I just thought I'd show you this pond. It's on the verge of going over. So I will see you soon. Stay safe. Till the next time when we're out and about, wherever it may be. See you soon.